to be ashamed of.
Plenty of people are frightened of needles.
The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a tornado warning for central Clark County in southwestern Washington until 3:30 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Five Corners, or near Vancouver downtown, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Battleground, Meadow Glade, Five Corners, Mount Vista, Barberton, Dollar Corner, Orchards, and Hawkinson around 3 p.m. Louisville, Ventersburg, and Cherry Grove around 3:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Brush Prairie, Alpine, Hyson, and Salmon Falls. This includes the following highways in Washington: Interstate 205 between mile markers 33 and 35. State Route 503 between mile markers 2 and 13. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.